Hello and welcome back to the NoStressTrader platform. This is what separates winners from losers. I'm talking about risk management. In this series, I'm going to break down risk management so that you can actually use this as an added advantage to maximize profit with our platform. So, as you can see from the previous series, we had activated a bot and let it to take trades for us, but right now there is no trader as we pinch at the moment. So I'm simply just going to stop the robot and we head on to risk management. Okay, so I earlier explained that as a new user, when you come onto the platform, for you to be able to trade, you have to make sure you click on trade right up here. When that's done and the interface opens up like this, right, we have the left hand screen. This is exactly where risk management takes place. Now, I'm going to discuss a few risk management plans, and you can use this as an example to design your own risk management plan. Okay, so you have to know that you have to set your risk percentage, right? You control your losses. You have to set your risk percentage, which is right here. You control your loss sizes. That's right here. This is where you control your lot size. How much or what lot size are you willing for the robot to take is true. So right here, you're going to do that. And over here, you're going to set your risk percentage. For instance, we did this before, and I'm going to explain this again. So use this to make advantage of it, then prepare your own risk management plan that's going to work for you better, okay? And we never you risk. Remember, never you risk what you can't afford to lose. We've been saying this over and over, and I know that some people here are going to. Maybe some of you or you listening to me is going to do that same mistake. Please don't. If you want to maximize our robots and make the highest money out of it, then please never you risk what you can afford to lose. Most importantly, the AI is powerful, but you control the risks. The robot is very powerful, but you control the risks. So let's head on this right here. For risk management number one, I'm going to tell you right here. Remember to start with something like a 0.2 lot size. It looks small, right? But what works for you is what's going to work for you. So you can decide what you want, but this is going to be what it has to be. So firstly, you have to select the market. Secondly, you take a bot. For the best of risk management, I'll say take robot number 2. It's slow to execute trades, but it's very accurate. You come down here for the modes. Make sure you select accurate mode. That's the best. It has the best of risk management. And you come down here for risk management plan. You select conservative. Okay, when this is done, the last part of it is your stop losses. Okay, manage your initial amount, and the initial amount is your loss size, right? And the target profit, don't be greedy, guys. You can just put in maybe, let's say, if we put in $9, it's going to be 2.42% of our account size. Let's say we are targeting 5% of our account load. That's 4. If we put 20, that's 5.4. So let's put 19.5. 19.5. 5%. So if we say 19.3, 5.2, 19, 5.13. Okay, let's see, we're targeting 5% in code for our account size. That's $19 on a $370.23 account, right? So right there, that's our target profit. And for your stop loss, I recommended before that we use number of losses in the sequence. So select that and always use it. Now, if we do that, I will say, okay, let the robot take 10 trades in the loss and losses if it doesn't make profit for us. Now, how much I going to risk here? That's what I said. Set your risk percentage. This is what I'm willing to lose, $8, and I'm aiming to make 19. So I'm telling the robot that if you take 10 trades in a rule and losses all the 10 trades in the sequence, you should stop trading. That's why I told the robot. And it's exactly what the robot is going to implement on your platform right in front of you. So if that's been done, you can see this is very, very good. You can take the whole day to make it this $19. But guys, Trust me, it's the basics of risk management. I'm giving it on to you. So play along here and select what you are willing to risk. For me, I want to grow my account 5% maximum a day. Between 3 to 5%, I'm good. Between 3 to 5% growth a single day, I'm good. So that's what you should target. I highly recommend you targeting 3 to 5% of your account growth every single day. So I think that was it for risk management. And the next, we are going to understand your results. So next thing you have to do, understand your results, and you see how to play along to make sure the robots actually work for you better. So you have to fine tune these, do them on a demo account, and then bring them forth onto your live trading account. Thank you for being here. If this was very helpful, please make sure you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so that each time we get a content, we get something for you, you should be able to get notifications from YouTube. Thank you and see you in another series.